Yo, what's up guys, I'm Yanick from the Producer School, and in this video I will show you how to make your own vocals for a Brazilian bass or slap house track without knowing how to sing. I will show you how to turn your vocal from this
"Wake me up before you go, oh,"
to this.
Wake me up before you go, oh, I don't wanna be here alone. Wake me up before.
So that's what I will be showing you in this video. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and without further ado, let's get straight into this. If you want to download the samples, presets and vocals from this video, then make sure to check out our latest pack called Cosmic, which is a really dope slap house and Brazilian bass style sample pack with project files, vocals, MIDI files and so much more. Go to theproducerschool.com to check it out or click the link over here. To make your own vocal you need a microphone, of course, and you want to record in a room with good acoustics, but if you don't have the equipment and stuff for that, you can just put a blanket over your head and a microphone, and that will help a lot actually with the reflections and stuff like that for the sample. So just put a blanket over yourself and record a vocal. This is the vocal I recorded. There are still some reflections in there, but it doesn't really matter that much. I can't sing and it's just like really bad, but I will play it for you so you know how it sounds.
"Wake me up before you go, oh, I don't wanna be here alone."
So that's really bad, but we'll turn it into something dope. And the first thing you need to do is to pitch it down. This will give it this really deep voice effect that you want. So let's pitch it down 2 semitones with the pitch knob over here, like this.
Wake me up before
You go,
Wake me up before you go, oh, I don't wanna be here alone.
It's already sounding better, but as you can hear, it's not on the right key. So what I'm going to do for that is to apply an auto-tune, which is one of the most used plugins by singers. It is used for pitch correcting for your vocals, but if you don't have access to the real auto-tune, you can also use a plugin from FL Studio called Pitcher, or Newtone works also pretty good, but I just like how fast auto-tune works. Let's set the right key for the sample, and it's going to be in G minor. So let's select G and then the scale minor. And I'm going to put up the region speed and you will see what it does. If you put the reach speed high like this, it will add a lot of auto-tune to the sample.
Wake me up before you go, oh, I don't wanna be here alone. Wake me up before you go, oh.
I want to go for a lot of auto-tune, so I'll leave the region speed at 4, which is really high. And I'm going to leave it like this.
Wake me up before.
So now it's in key, but I think I'm still going to pitch it 1 semitone down. And you can also do that in auto-tune with just a transpose knob, and let's set it to -1.
Wake me up before you go, oh, I don't wanna be here alone.
So that's actually sounding pretty good for a slap house or Brazilian bass track. If you're making pop music, this won't sound good, but for this particular track it will. Now let's apply some effects like EQ. With the EQ, I'm just gonna set this to low cut and leave it like this. And let's remove some of the low frequencies until like 100 Hertz.
Wake me up before you go, oh, I don't wanna be.
I want to make the high end a little bit more present in the track, but I will do that with another EQ or a multiband compressor. For now, I'm going to add this really dope plugin called CLA Vocals, which is a plugin from Waves. You don't need this one to create your own vocals, but it's so easy to use, and I like how it works. Let's remove the delay and reverb, and let's set compression mode to spank, which will compress the sound a lot. So let's put it up.
Wake me up before you go, oh, I don't wanna be here alone.
And let's also make it a little bit wider with the stereo knob on the right.
Wake me up before you go, oh, I don't wanna be here alone.
And let's lower down the output because I think it's a little bit too loud.
Wake me up before you go, oh, I don't wanna be here alone.
To compress the sound even more, I'm going to add a multiband compressor called OTT, which is a plugin by Xfer, and it's also free, which is really great. So let's lower down the depth like this. And let's put it on and let's see what it does.
Wake me up before you go. Oh, I don't want to be here alone.
So with this OTT you can achieve that kind of radio voice sound. That sounds pretty dope. I think you can't recognize my voice anymore, but that's the point of this video, that I want to show you that you can record your own vocals without knowing how to sing and turn them into something dope. Let's put some reverb on the vocal as well. I want to go for a really short one that just adds a little bit of room. So let's lower down the decay to around 0.5 seconds and put the mix to like 20% or something.
Wake me up before you go. Oh, I don't want to be here alone.
And let's lower down the bass frequencies of the reverb with the bass multiplier knob and drag it down like that. Especially in like clean and dry drops, this vocal will work really well. I want to give you more of an idea how you can use these vocals in your drops. So I created this little Brazilian bass drop and it sounds like this.
Wake me up before you go. Oh, I don't want to be here alone. Wake me up before you go. Oh, I don't want to be here alone.
If you have any questions regarding the mixing or recording process, then make sure to drop down a comment and I will try to answer them all. If you think this video was helpful, then make sure to smash that like button. And for now, I want to thank you guys for watching and I will see you in the next video.